Rolling.
I'm rolling too.
This is the elevator at the Iron Cactus.
Start by going up. Or,
Oh,
okay, we can ride down first and then we'll go all the way up.
yeah. And now this time we've got Kenny. This is his first ride on the elevator. Here.
Hello.
Me and Alex have both filmed this elevator before.
Wow, pretty cool interior.
Alright. Send her down to the basement. Okay, then G.
I'm gonna get a cat view.
Trio of elevator photographers. Alright. Send it up to 3. Okay, and press door close. Which we all know it doesn't work.
Nope.
Oh, that was kind
It's
of bumpy.
kind of jolty.
Where do y'all want to end on?
Let's do it on G. Wait, can I switch sides? Yeah, I want
And
to.
it opens up into the roof.
Oh, what a nice view of Dallas. Cool.
Send her down to G and we'll end there. Bobby and Hanny.
Hello.
Alex and Hank.
And there's a Bobby and Alex.
Schindler HT fixtures.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll get off here. But we're not going up.
And that's it.